Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear door, inside door handle on this 2000 Buick LeSabre. It should be pretty much the same as any 2000 to 2005 LeSabre. Even Park Avenue is probably similar, although the door panels, how you get them off might be different. And really changing the inside door handle, the hardest part of it is getting the door panel off. Tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a door panel clip tool, which is available on our site, and 10mm wrench or socket and ratchet. And just one quick note, I have come across two designs of the door panels on these LeSabres. This is the design that has a clip in the center. There's also a design where you pull the bezel around the inside door handle off and you'll see a small screw. So you need to look for that.
Start with a flat blade screwdriver. Just carefully go right in behind here and pull out on this bezel. Kind of comes forward and off. Okay, next you're going to want to take your screwdriver again and pry out on this courtesy light. Just kind of comes straight out. You can pull the bulb out like that. Phillips screwdriver. You look right in here, you'll see a black Phillips screw. Remove that. Okay. Now there's a series of clips around the door panel. You want a door panel clip tool. What you can do is kind of pull out on the panel, slide it in, and then usually down so you come to a clip. Pull it out, put it right around the clip, and then pull on the door panel and the tool at the same time. And then just keep doing that right around the whole panel.
And I'll speed it up here as I just work my way around the panel with the tool and pulling to release the clips. And then once you release the clips, you'll want to actually just kind of try and pull the handle out or pull the panel out and pull it up and off of the bracket.
Pull all the back clips out, pull the door panel up, and then come up in the front here, pull all these clips out. Okay. And you'll have to kind of pull your door panel up and out. Okay. And then there's a little a little electrical connection here. Just press on a tab, disconnect that. Door panel comes off. You can see right here, this is the clip in the middle. It slides down on these clips here. So what you want to do is once you have your panel off, take your screwdriver, push up. There's basically two just little teeth that hold it on. Push up, pull the clip off, and push down. Okay, and that comes off. You can slide it right back in there.
Fast forward here as we remove the other clip and then put it back into the panel, and then the panel is ready to install when you have your project done. Once the door panel is off, use some pliers or a screwdriver, pull the pins at the top of the water shield out, and carefully pull the water shield down to give you access to the part.
Remove this bolt here. out. You can pull these rods from there. And then pull your handle like this, and this rod pulls up and out, and then kind of twist your handle and pull it off of the other rod here. Firmly pull and kind of rotate it this way at the same time. Okay, reinstall the door handle. You'll want to do the yellow one first. Kind of bring the handle in like this and push it on while you rotate it. Okay. Okay, then this one you just kind of rotate the handle forward a little bit, get the rod in there. Push it down. Okay, bring your handle forward. Make sure it's in the slot. Push it back. And the last thing is just to put these, make sure that it snaps back into here in place.
And now carefully put your water shield back up in place and use the pins to secure it at the top corners and just press it around the edges so it's sealed well.
Okay, before you put your door panel back on, again make sure this bracket is in place. Okay. Reconnect your harness. Now 2 of your lower pins are longer, so you can actually kind of put those in place. I'm just kind of looking down, seeing those go in place. Those should pretty much line it up, and then you can just rotate the panel onto the door. Okay. Watch everything go in. Peek back here, make sure that these pins are lined up. Okay. Ashtray had fallen out before. Stick the back in a little bit and then put that in. Okay. Make sure we take our Phillips screw and carefully put it in. Okay. Connect our courtesy light.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.